Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More and I'm Radishan Sheena. Today I'll be sharing with you all 7 days, 7 anti-inflammatory dinner recipes for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in these 30 days very easily. Now recently my lots of clients asked me which a diet plan or recipes where they can of course reduce the inflammation from their body, at the same time see the weight loss happening and at the same time see a great transformation happening overall in your body development as well. So these recipes can help you reduce inflammation in your body, hence lose weight easily, and of course super easy to prepare, super yummy and high in protein as well. And if you want your personalized anti-inflammatory diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222. Or you can go to the description box below, you will see a link down there. Click the link and you will reach directly to me on WhatsApp and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. So without any delay, let's get started with 7 days, 7 anti-inflammatory recipes for dinner to help you lose 7 kgs in 30 days very easily. The first recipe is super simple and loved by all of my clients, which is basically a moong dal idli recipe. Low in carbohydrates, high in protein, and of course anti-inflammatory in nature. Low in glycemic index and works amazingly well for fat loss. All I've done here is simply soaked almost 1 cup of moong dal. Now this is yellow moong dal. You can use any of your own choice for almost 4 to 5 hours. Blending it with some green chilies and ginger. In this batter, I'll be adding a small tadka made of rye, curry leaves, and of course a little bit of oil. I'll also be adding eno to this to make it all fluff up and simply pouring it in my idli stand. You can see how fluffy, how good these idlis are. Of course, idli hai to chutney to hogi. I'm making here coconut chutney. You can use any of your own choice. You can always have it with mint chutney as well. Coconut chutney gives it a unique taste. I'm adding here, of course, in a tadka pan, a little bit of ghee, rye, curry leaves, peanuts, roasting it out, and of course hing. Adding it to a blending jar with fresh coconut, and of course you can see how tasty this chutney is. Have it along with 3 or 4 moong dal idlis and satiate yourself. Second option is, of course, you can always prepare in the same way the batter that I'm using here for idli. Use the same batter to prepare yourself a chila as well. You can see I'm just simply pouring the same batter over a pan and making chila out of it. You can of course have 3 to 4 chilas of this along with mint chutney, coconut chutney as per your own choice. And now we proceed towards our third option. Again with the same batter, you can always prepare another recipe, which is sandwich. Now yes, you can always have no bread sandwich with adding paneer bhurji to this to increase your protein intake. All I've done here is adding the same batter to a toaster. Along with that, of course, adding paneer bhurji to stuff it up with some protein levels. Of course, layering another moong dal batter over it and simply prepare a no bread sandwich. Low in carbohydrates, great for weight loss and high in protein as well. For people who cannot digest gluten very easily, this is your option to have sandwich this way. Proceeding towards our fourth option for, of course, dinner recipes. All the sweet lovers out there who want to have something sweet during their dinner, but of course anti-inflammatory nature and great for weight loss, your option is to have this recipe of caramelized banana yogurt bowl. All I've done here is in a pan, I'm adding a little bit of honey to caramelize banana, simply letting it roast for almost 2 to 3 minutes until the banana turns golden brown. Adding pinch of cinnamon powder to this, taking 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, adding this batter to the Greek yogurt bowl, and of course choco chips for taste and roasted walnuts for the crunch. Your tasty and healthy high protein dessert option for dinner is ready. Do try to have this at least twice a week and see the magic of weight loss happening. Next option is for all of those who want to have something tasty, fulfilling, warm in nature and great for weight loss. But yes, of course anti-inflammatory. And of course, all the pakoda lovers can have this. I am talking about having this corn appams. All I've done here is in a besan batter, I'm adding chopped onions, coriander, boiled corns, and I've pureed them all, and some whole boiled corns as well. Simply adding it to the appam pan, and you can see how golden brown and crispy the appams look. They taste exactly like pakoras but without any frying and too little oil. So do try out to have this recipe for your next dinner and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Sixth option is for all the weight loss pagloos who want to lose weight fast, and no matter what, they can always have the vegetables and paneer along with that. All I've done here is in a grilling pan, I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. To this I'll be adding all the vegetables that is possible. I've added here broccoli, bell peppers, capsicum. You can also add mushrooms, corns, any vegetable of your own choice. Grilling them until they all become crispy in nature. At the same time, in the same pan, I'll be also adding paneer. Now this is almost 100 grams of paneer. I'll not be taking more. You can take as per your own choice, simply roasting it again on the grilling pan and pairing up with this Greek yogurt. Now this Greek yogurt helps with the digestion also, and of course protein rich, and definitely is a great source of probiotics as well, which works as a dressing in this recipe. So you can have this at least thrice or 4 times a week to see the magic of your weight loss happening with this anti-inflammatory dinner recipe. Last option for all my clients who love having kebabs. Now kebabs, of course, they can be made in a very healthy and weight loss oriented manner. So all I've done here is, in a blending jar, I'm adding chickpeas. Now these are boiled chickpeas. Along with that, I'm also adding rajma. You can choose the portions as per your comfortability, blending it all together and making a paste out of it. To this, I'll be also adding roasted basin, freshly chopped green chilies, spices of your own choice, and lots of fresh dhania. Simply making kebabs out of it, and in a normal pan, I'll be simply roasting and grilling them out. All I've done here is taken a pan, adding a little bit of ghee or olive oil to this, and of course taking the kebabs that we prepared and roasting it from both the sides. You can see how yummy, how golden and crispy they look. They taste also amazing. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comments section below how you felt about this. You can always have Greek yogurt along with this, or you can even have a homemade fresh salsa along with this and see the magic of weight loss happening. Do try out these recipes and let me know in the comments section below how you felt about this. And if you want your personalized anti-inflammatory diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222. Or you can go to the description box below. You'll see a link down there. If you click the link, and you will reach out to me on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. And if you like my video, please like button, comment below if you have any quick and internet diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.